Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar index, and as expected, DXY is trying to cross the resistance of 106.8 or 106.9 here. Right now we can see that DXY is standing at 106.71 and it is trying to break the resistance, and there's a good chance, high chance, that DXY will be able to cross the resistance. But if you look at the chart, then the major range of DXY is still the same. 107.85 on the downside and 107.85 on the upside as resistance and 105.5 on the downside as support. The black lines are the important lines and this is the major resistance, but 106.80 106.90 was acting as a minor resistance in between the major level. So but market was trying to cross the level, but today I think the market will be able to cross it because market has been testing the level so many times that I think finally buyers will get some power and they will try to break the range and move higher. So let's wait and watch. But before I proceed, I would like to take you to the economy calendar. My dear friends, today is a big day, special day, because today we have three news lined up. First of all, we have ADP NFP. ADP NFP right at the starting of the US session. Once the market will settle after the ADP NFP after 1 hour, 1.5 hour, we will be having PMI. Okay. And once the market will settle after PMI, because the impact of ADP and PMI will last for at least 1 or 2 hours, once the market will get some rest, we have the FOMC statement. So FOMC is the biggest of them all because market is waiting for FOMC just to know about the interest rate and all. But overall, the market will be on toes, so you need to be careful. If you're a beginner, new trader, try to close down your positions before the news, because your stop loss may not work because of slippage. Okay, and if you're an experienced trader, then obviously it's your call. But I'll request everyone that do not try to gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Market gives us plenty of opportunities to make money, so you don't need to gamble at the time of news. Because see, the big moves at the time of news are very lucrative, but most of us lose money at the time of news only. So don't forget that. And if you look at the news, then we can see Euro fails to hold gains. Euro fell to below dollar 1.06, ending the October month little change amid a general dollar strength as the Fed is set to keep interest rates elevated for some time and as the US economy continues to show signs of robustness. In contrast, the Eurozone GDP unexpectedly shrank 0.1% in third quarter Q3, worse than forecasts of a flat reading, and signaling the ECB's tightening campaign that lifted borrowing costs to record level is weighing on the economy. So this is the market situation. And before the news, if DXY goes up also, I don't think so DXY will have the strength to cross the 107.35 level. Okay, this resistance of 107.35, probably I said 107.107.85 earlier, but it is 107.35, sorry. Okay, so I don't think so DXY will be able to cross the previous resistance before the US session. After news, try to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for reversals if you see that market is following a particular direction. Okay, now let's look at the chart of Euro USD then. So I was not making videos on Euro USD for last 2 days because the chart was not nice. To be honest, I was not trading on Euro USD. Okay, personally, I have been avoiding Euro USD for the last couple of days and weeks because see, as a trader, my first priority will be to make money, and to make money we need better charts. I'm not loyal towards Euro USD, I'm loyal towards making money, and you should be loyal towards making money. So if you see that a particular chart is not good enough, you should also learn to avoid that chart. Anyways, we can see that Euro USD is back inside the upward channel again, and right now Euro dollar is standing at the trend line at the bottom. The trend line at the bottom has been acting as dynamic support for quite some time, and right now market is getting the support. But the problem is that after this big fall, okay, market is not giving us any proper sign here. You can see this is a 4 hour chart, and market is constantly forming dojis. Dojis signify indecision in the market. So in simple words, market is an indecision. If you are planning to take a buy or sell position, it is better to avoid right now. Try to stick to the levels. It is not possible to understand the market. It is not possible to predict the market at each and every price level. So try to trade on those levels that we understand. Okay, so in this particular portion, market may be standing at a trend line, but already market has tested the trend line too many times, so there is a chance that market will break the trend line and fall further, because we can also see that market has already formed a bearish flag here. So if you are a risk taker, okay, if you are a risk taker, then you can also look for a sell position below 1.0555. Okay, if market breaks this level here, you can look for a quick selling position below this level. I will not say that after taking a sell, forget. Okay, don't make the mistake. Try to be a scalper today at least. Okay, if you see that market is going down, okay, you can look for a sell position. How much you can expect? Okay, you can expect around 20-25 pips, because we have the immediate support coming up again around 1.0530, 1.0525. Okay, this is the next immediate support, and before the US session, before the news, if market is not very volatile, we can expect that market will get a temporary bounce, temporary support around this area. So volatility of the market will be very, very important. If you see the market is coming down, observe the size of the candle. If you see that the size of the candles are like this, small candles, then you can expect 1.0530, 1.0525 to work as support. But if you see, my dear friend, that market is falling with candles like this, then obviously the selling pressure is too high. You cannot expect the support to work. Common sense and trading goes side by side. Don't forget that. Okay, so if you see market is falling with heavy selling pressure, continue with your sell position. But if you see market is taking support, you can take a buy position, quick buy position just before the US session. So these are the levels that you can expect to work before news, not after news, because 1.0535 is a minor support that will not work after news. The major support on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.0460. Okay, and I don't think so. If Euro USD falls also, market will go below 1.0460. This is the ultimate support on Euro USD right now, 1.0460. Before 1.0460, we also have some support around 1.0500 to 1.0490. So these are the support levels, major support levels on the chart of Euro USD. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts. 1.0450, 1.0460 is a good support level on the chart, or the strongest support level. But before this level, as this level is far away, before this level, we also have some good support around 1.0500, 1.0490. Okay, but right now market is stuck in this particular portion of the market here. So try to scalp around this area before the news. After news, try to follow the trend of the market, because whenever news dominates the market, technicals do not work. Okay, you need to follow the trend here, means you need to follow the fundamentals. Now let's look at the chart of GBP USD. If you look at the chart of GBP USD, then GBP USD, okay, it's totally silent here. So my dear friend, if I ask you, my dear friend, do you think that this chart deserves your hard-earned money? Will you agree? Probably no. Because this is not an ideal chart for any trader, not for day traders, not for swing traders, not for scalpers. If I take you to the daily chart of GBP USD, you can clearly see that market has formed a spinning top yesterday. Spinning top also signifies indecision in the market, and right now GBP USD is stuck inside a range. So if you already have any ongoing position on GBP USD, you can be on that trade, no need to exit, because GBP USD seems to be under pressure right. where we do not have any proper direction. So mostly market is inside the range. So let's wait and watch. During the day, if you see the market is coming down, then you can look for some support around 1.2030 area. If market takes support and bounces, we can definitely look for some buy position. 1.2030 to 1.2050. This is the support zone on the chart of GBP USD. But be careful at the time of news. If you see that there is a heavy selling pressure, market is falling with big red candles, try to follow a trend of the market. Do not make the mistake that there is a support means market will bounce. No level is permanent in the market, don't forget that. And in case market starts flying, then we have the 1.23 30 to 1.2350. This is the ultimate resistance on the chart of GBP USD, and I think that market will respect 1.2330, 1.2350. So if you get a buy around this area, you can go for a buy. If you see market is taking support and bouncing, you can go for a buy. And if you see market is reversing from this particular portion, you can go for a sell. Apart from that, okay, try to avoid trading on the middle portion of the chart here, because we can clearly see that we do not have any proper direction. And if we consider it as a sideways market also, then the thumb rule of sideways market is buy at support, sell at resistance, stay away from the middle portion of the chart. Okay, because if you take position on the middle portion of the chart, buy sell doesn't matter, you will always get trapped. Okay, so to avoid the traps in the market, so stick to the levels. And right now market is indecisive, so it's better to wait and watch. Euro USD is also not a very clean chart, as I have already told you that I have been avoiding Euro USD. Okay, because I do not like a choppy market like this. Okay? And I have a soft corner for gold as well. Anyways, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Be careful at the time of news, and let's wait and watch.